Hey, just wanted to shoot a quick video. It's a 2017 Toyota 4Runner Limited. It is Blizzard Pearl on the outside, which is a pearlescent white. It is equipped with the running boards. As you can see on the inside, you got the Redwood leather interior. This particular one is four-wheel drive. It's got parking sensors, memory seats, like I said, the running boards, back in the back, carried through. It does have the all-weather mats. The very back here, this one's equipped with the rear sliding cargo tray. So you simply take this and it slides out and slides back in. If you have any additional questions, give me a call today, 803-796-6650.